Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World, and today we got another nice watch face for you all to check out. That yes it is. It's going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. I think it's worthy of a download, especially if you're going to be having a casual dressed down day. All right, with that being said, let's check out this watch face. Now, the name of it is called Look Inside Week 52. It's a nice digital watch face that's geared toward fitness. In the AOD mode, you're going to get the exact same look. It's just going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode. Once the watch face is on, it has a nice digital time. The colors are two tones. So far as the time is concerned, you come down, you will get your month, your day. Now, I'm thinking that information up under that could be your wind direction. I am not sure, but again, as I said, this is geared toward fitness. So you get your heart rate information, you get your battery info, you get your steps, and you also get shortcuts that's going around the bezel of the watch at the bottom. You're going to get weather, you're going to be able to tap into your phone, settings, of course, your music, and also your text messages. So if you need to go in, just a single tap, and it'll take you right into it, which I thought was pretty nice. Not a bad deal at all. Again, I said it was free, right? This is not bad, but if you double tap, you can go and customize the color theme. You get a few and all to change to, and the colors aren't bad at all. Should tie into some of the colors that you may have in your wardrobe. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys are having the greatest weekend ever, having fun, eating well, and as for me, I'm going to relax. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.